My father loved pigeons.
Why did the math book look sad?
I don't know.
Why? Because it had too many problems.
What kind of tree fits in your hand?
I don't know, what kind?
A palm tree!
Safi, did you leave this suitcase here last night? I've never seen it before.
No, and I don't recognize it either. Who would leave a suitcase at our door without saying anything?
It says, please don't open this suitcase until sunset. That's really strange.
Who would leave a suitcase like this? Maybe there's a surprise inside.
If someone wrote this note, there must be a reason.
I think we should wait until sunset.
I agree. Let's not take any chances.
I don't see anyone. Whoever left this suitcase is already gone.
It's locked, and it's much heavier than I expected. Now I'm even more curious.
We still don't know who this person is.
This mystery is getting stranger.
That's strange. I smell fresh flowers.
Why would an old suitcase smell like flowers? Did anyone touch the suitcase?
No, it moved by itself.
There's another note. It says, please trust me. This keeps getting stranger.
Look, someone's watching our house. It won't accept the code.
What if it's not meant to be opened?
There must be another way.
Maybe we should call the police. I don't want to ignore something important.
The note asked us to wait until sunset. We still have a few hours. Let's stay calm and think carefully.
I can only read a few letters. The rest has disappeared. Maybe that label can tell us who sent it.
I can only read one word. Sure, the rest has completely faded away.
So this suitcase belongs to someone. But who?
That's impossible. I heard someone knock.
Maybe whoever left the suitcase came back.
The camera recorded everything, but no one was at the door.
Now this really doesn't make sense.
Jaff, there's something under it.
I think this key belongs to the suitcase.
Only 1 hour left. After sunset, we'll finally know why this suitcase was left here.
I hope whatever is inside brings answers, not more questions.
No one said a single word.
Maybe they just wanted to know if we were still waiting.
The sun is setting. I think it's finally time. It's open. These are family photographs.
Do you recognize anyone?
To my dear grandson, Elia.
Grandpa wrote this?
My dear grandson. If you're reading this, it means our family is together. That's all I ever...
Someone wanted us to remember these moments, not lose them.
Good evening. I just wanted to confirm that the suitcase reached the right family.
Who sent it? It was sent by Grandpa's old friend, just as Grandpa had requested many years ago.
He kept his promise, even after all this time.
My father loved pigeons. Every evening...
He came here to feed them before sunset.
Really?
These were Grandpa's birds?
He always told me, when you care for animals, your heart becomes kinder every day.
I'll remember that, and I'll feed them with you.
Some memories never leave us. They simply find new wings.